Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Today we're making coconut egg roll. We're used to the regular egg roll, Nigerian egg roll, but this is a little bit different because of the addition of the coconut. So without wasting time, let's make it. Right here I have some eggs. I'm going to be using 12 eggs to make this recipe. So right here I'm putting the eggs into a pot. As you can see, I'm adding some water and I'm going to just bring it to a boil. As it's boiling, now it's ready. I'll bring it down, run some cold water on it, and then I'll peel the eggs and set it aside till I'm ready to use them, till I finish mixing the dough for this recipe. So keep watching and thank you for tuning in and watching till the end. Right here I have the major ingredient, the coconut flour. I'm just covering it because I'm not advertising this product. And I have here 1 cup of coconut flour that I'm going to be using. Some coconut sugar. This is organic coconut sugar, so it's safe to use. Right here I have some nutmeg and salt. As you can see, I'm going to leave the measurement in the description box below. I have 1 spoon of baking powder, and this is all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. I have some grated coconuts as well, and I'm just going to mix all these dry ingredients together. So as you can see, it's a coconut affair that is going on right here. So I'm just opening the middle. I'm going to melt that butter. Here is my coconut milk that I'm going to be adding as well, since it's a coconut affair. I love coconuts a lot. This is the melted butter. I just added that and I'm going to be mixing it. So as you can see, I have enough liquid to pull this through, so I'm not going to be adding any water. So I'm just going to use my hands to knead it till it comes together. Now it's all done, it's ready. So right here we have just this soft dough, soft enough to either roll or to use your hands to roll in the eggs. So I'm just going to cut this into about 12 places since I have 12 eggs, 12 equal portions, right? That's what you see right there. And it's time to roll in our eggs. I'm going to use my hand to just spread the dough. Each portion, I'm just using my hand to open it, open the center, and just put the hard-boiled egg in the middle. And then I'll try to close the dough back as much as possible, like that. Feel free to use a rolling pin to just roll it first and put the egg in the middle, and then twist it, remove the excess if there's any, and just roll it in the middle of your palms, and it's all sealed up completely. So I'm going to repeat this process for the rest. Open the middle of the flour, the dough I mean, put the egg in the middle, and then roll it up, seal it up with your hands, and roll it with your palms. Like I said, most of us are used to the regular Nigerian egg rolls, but this is kind of different because we have so much coconut going on here. That makes it unique and different. And trust me, if you make this for your family and friends, oh, they will love it. So now it's all done. We are done rolling our egg rolls. It's time to deep fry them. So my oil is already heating up, not too hot. So I already dropped a little bit, and that's it right there, and it's fine. Now I'm dropping all my egg rolls into my oil. And I'm just going to use my spoon to flip it back and forth to make sure one side doesn't really get burned or burnt. So I'm going to fry this for about 5 to 7 minutes on medium low till it's golden brown. So right now our egg rolls are ready. Look at the color. That looks so attractive, and it's really yummy, believe me. So as it's done, I'm just going to take it out of the oil and put it in a dry cloth or a paper towel in a plate, and then it's ready to be served. So I'll repeat this same process for the remaining egg rolls. Like so. I'll keep stirring till it's ready, and then our egg rolls are done. That's it. So yummy, so delicious. Kindly try this and let me know what you think. So also, as you can see, I just decided to just drop some grated coconuts on top. And that's it. Coconut egg rolls, so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace.